Hello everyone, this is Siri Albert's YouTube channel and you're watching weekly results series of Promax Gold EA. Welcome to the first episode. Today we're going to take a look at Promax performance for the past week and also overall on our Myfxbook and our VPS. Promax has 3 proven presets and today I'm going to show you 2 of them. Make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe and follow our social medias for Promax latest news. Let's check it out. This is our Myfxbook account of Promax Gold EA preset number 2 on a 100K real and verified account. You can see its chart since last year we had run this EA on this account. Overall, it has gained 81.88% profit with a monthly gain of 4.70%. Let's scroll down. Here in this section you can see for this week we had 4.34% profit and for this month we had 7.66%. Down there in profitability section it says Promax has an accuracy of 77%. This is how Promax Gold EA should look like on your MT4 account. This one is preset number 2 and since Promax is only working with gold, it has only one chart. Here in this section you can see all the account details and your robot settings such as leverage, stop loss, equity and everything. Down here in this section you can see all the details for your orders such as time, type, size and other things. Let's scroll down and see how much profit we had for the last week. Here it says we had $7,160.23 in just 1 week on this preset. This is our Myfxbook account of Promax Gold EA preset number 3 on a $1,000 real and verified account. Overall, it has gained 44.97% profit. The monthly gain is 10.58% with a drawdown of 13.12%. Let's scroll down. This section shows different durations result. Due to market condition, for this week we had a loss of 9.27%. But remember, Promax has been programmed to keep the loss always below 10%. In profitability section says Promax won 167 out of 221 trades, which represents 76% of accuracy, which is the win rate. And down here in monthly analytics, you can see all the month gains and losses. This is Promax Gold EA preset number 3 on our VPS. Everything is like the other one, only the numbers are different. Here in this little window you can see all the account details and your robot settings such as leverage, stop loss and other things. Down here in order section you can see all the orders with their time, type, size, etc. Let's scroll down to see the final number. And it says for the past week we had a loss of $135.80. But as I mentioned before on our Myfxbook, Promax has been programmed to keep the loss always below 10%, which is a great feature of this robot. You can have access to your coupon code on your first purchase via the link in the description if you want to become one of our Promax Gold EA users and start making money. If you have any questions, ask us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.